How's it going today there, YouTube? Happy New Year, everybody. This is, of course, our very first video for 2024. Oh yeah, we're down in my basement, which is heavily under construction right now, but I had something I wanted to show you guys real quick, a little sneak peek of something. Forgive me if I have kind of a hoarse voice still. I've been getting over this since about Friday, hence why there hasn't been too many videos lately. But yeah, I got something here I want to show you guys, which some of you have been asking me about. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of my toy tractor hoard room 2.0. Of course, any of you guys are following me for any length of time knows what I had in my old house. I got something similar here with maybe a couple of changes, but I'm not really too picky. I just want to get the stuff in and get it on. You guys know what I mean. Anyway, check this out. So, the big part of my renovation here, oh yeah, we put all the pot lights up for the wife. When we bought the house, it didn't have a furnace or an air conditioning unit. Well, it had an air conditioning just for the upstairs. But what we did, we put a furnace, AC, and all the ductwork and all that in here about February of 2023. So we're just kind of getting things buttoned back up. Of course, since you're in it this deep, you might as well do all the upgrades. We did the pot lights, some wiring upgrades, plumbing upgrades. You know, you're in there now, you might as well do it. So anyway, that's why I got the ceiling all kind of back together. But dummy me forgot to run out and get ceiling paint yesterday, or else I could have painted this, and then I got a bathroom in the basement now too. This is a 9x11 room. I think it's pretty close to what I had last time at the old house. Of course, I've got more headroom this time because I don't have the pitch of my roof was cutting into my bedrooms at the old place. I was on a bungalow. This is, of course, being in the basement. I got the 8-foot ceilings. But yeah, I went with the white paint again because the white helps the tractors kind of pop. You know, it's easier the tractors create contrast, so it kind of draws your eyes down a bit better. No, I didn't miss a wall. What I'm gonna do here is some rustic barn board wallpaper, I think, or barn board. Then I'm gonna put a shelf in front of that and kind of make like a feature shelf, I think. So that'd be kind of cool. Yeah, I know I missed a spot there and down here because I tried to touch it up yesterday, but the paint was still too wet, so. Oh, well, minor detail. But yeah, we had to pull the ceiling down so we could do all the ductwork for the bedroom upstairs. This is my son's bedroom upstairs of this one. And of course, you had to put a heat run down here and a heat run upstairs, heat run for the bathroom, of course. So this is just the access door for my jet tub that's in the basement down here, but we're gonna be reworking that a little bit. Anyway, I guess my plan for shelving, I'm gonna do the glass cabinets along this wall here. I'm probably gonna go with a 12-inch shelf again, because I'm gonna go obviously with the barn board here, and then I'm gonna do a shelf in front of it. And then the shelf will probably come out and stick out about that far, about a foot from the wall, and then my 4 glass cabinets will go here. I'm gonna do a floor to ceiling shelf on this wall, and probably a floor to ceiling shelf on this wall. I really do hope everything fits in here, because I have picked up quite a few toys since moved out of my old place, and I've been in my new place for just over a year now, and I'm just kind of getting to this now. And I know quite a few of you have been asking where the farm toys is, and well, this is basically where we're at. I mean, I got some stuff that's still in boxes here. I got little dog piles of stuff everywhere. I got some down in the basement. I got some in the wife's china cabinet upstairs, some in the front hall storage. I got some out in the shop, and then most of them out in the garage. So, oh, we're getting things together here pretty quick. So, kind of surprised the wife last night, and I was trying to use the language she did when she came down and realized what I was up to yesterday, because I told her I was just going to sand this ceiling, but yet I come in here and I rolled the walls and, oh, hi Bentley. Camera shy. This is a cold air return here, but yeah, basically I'm going to be, I got new plugs in the new switch, like I did the rest of the house. This is the flooring we use upstairs. It's a rustic flooring. It's actually really nice stuff. It's like a 12 mil laminate floor. So hopefully it'll work out good down here with the moisture. But it's not too bad down here. I don't find it's too wet. It's not wet now because I've changed a lot of venting and whatnot. I mean, there's a little wet spot from down here. But I think that's just because in the bathroom with the jet tub, a lot of people don't know this. If you have a bathroom with a window with no fan, crack that window open, then you'll save yourself all the moisture and mold problems. I did just put a fan in that bathroom now, so that should solve that problem. I gotta do one upstairs, but yeah, anyway, I mean, I'm not a home renovator or anything. I mean, I do work new home construction. I do know a few things, but that's where we're at with the toy tractor hoard room. Now we'll go to the shop here in a minute and we'll see what's going on out there. What you guys are doing? Hey, Brooklyn. Bentley. You go outside where it's warm. All right. Come on in, bud. Bentley, come on. Yeah, so this is what the shop's like right now. I haven't done a whole heck of a lot out here. I've been tinkering with the 80 again. No, my 1820 is not camera shy. I just decided I would cover it up. I know the heater blew the back cover off, but I decided to cover that so I didn't get it full of overspray and whatnot when I'm painting in here. I do luck out because I have an exhaust fan in my shop. I have to pull the cover off. But yeah, I'm kind of wire wheeling the front axle here again. Trying to get that cleaned up. I did get the bell housing cleaned up and primered, the access plate, the little check plate. Although dummy me forgot I need to put the firewall in there before I put the bell housing on. Got ahead of myself. So basically it's that plate right there between the bell housing and under the gas tank, because the gas tank sits on top of that. So I need to put that back in there before I permanently bolt the bell housing on. I just have it kind of hand tight because I clean all the bolts up and just set it down in there so I'm not tripping over on the shop floor here. The wife got me this sign here for Christmas. Pretty nice. Oliver Authorized Sales and Services. That's pretty sweet. She also got me this Oliver Heart Part sweater I got on right now. I did actually just order another Oliver sign. It's the Oliver Heart Part Shield, and it's got Authorized Sales and Services on it too. So that's pretty neat. So that should be good in a couple of weeks. The old 99 here I haven't done a whole heck of a lot with. I mean, I did pull the gas tank off of it because I want to go in here, and I believe my shift rods come out here. So I'm gonna pull this top plate off. But I haven't figured how this comes off just yet. I think it's just bolted on down below, but the bolts are pretty rusty. I've been soaking with some penetrating fluid. I did crack the rust lip, but it still turns extremely hard, so I'm thinking I'm stuck down in the main bearing somewhere, so I want to pull the oil pan off and try to spray some oil up in there, see if I can't get loosened up. I mean, that acetone and ATF solution is still down in there, so that's soaking. But I cannot turn it with the hand crank yet, but if I put the jack on, it turns very easily, so it's getting there. But I also don't want to crank it too much because the sump is dry, and I want to inspect the oil pump pickup before we go too crazy with that. So yeah, that's basically where we're at for now. If you guys like that little video, please comment, rate, subscribe. And I'm going to go take her back down in the basement a little bit. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.